Morning everyone, this is Imelda. Today's video is I'm gonna show you how to make a face mask with filter pocket. What I've got in here is my son's old shirt, which is 100% cotton. So this is I'm gonna use for our face mask today, which has a filter pocket and a nose wire. So now we're ready to cut the size of our face mask. So we're gonna cut 8.5 inches by 15.5 inches of fabric. Using the back of the shirt, I can make 2 adult masks. Now we got our fabric here. We got 15.5 inches by 8.5 inches wide, and 2 elastics that can be from 8 to 9 inches, and 2 fabric which is 2.5 by 4.5 inches, and a wire for our nose bridge, which I use a garden wire which I bought from Wilkinson here in the UK. So it's just about like 6 inches long. On the short side of the fabric, wrong side facing up, make a 2 folds, which is like about an 8 inch, and then iron it or pin it, and then make a stitch along the straight line. So what I've done is iron it and then I pin it so it will stay when I bring it to the sewing machine. And now you're gonna stitch here. Back stitch, so the thread won't be loosened all the way. And back stitch again. Do the same on the other side. This is what it looks like now, and then fold it in half, right side together, and then mark from the edge, mark 1.5 inch and on each side, and I mark it with a pin, and on the other side as well do the same. From the edge, measure 1.5 inch and then pin. I use pin to mark the 1.5 inch, and then sew it there. This is to make the pocket for our filter. Now this is what it's gonna look like now. It's gonna be the pocket for our filter.
1.5 from the edge.
Now lie the fabric flat and then just finger press the pocket like this, and now turn the fabric right side out. So this is what gonna look like, and then top stitch on top, then top stitch here on each side. this is what it looks like now, and then we're gonna stitch as well on the other side.
Just using
So this is what
the
it looks
inside of my
like now.
person foot here to my center line for stitch.
And now we're ready to put our nose wire. So fold the face mask like this, and then put the nose wire on top of the fold. And pin. And then we're gonna top stitch around the mask. Now we got the nose wire now attached to our face mask. And now we're ready to make pleats for this face mask. So the total finish size of the face mask is gonna be like about 3.5 inches wide. See, I got 3 pleats made there. It's like fold it like about 1/2 inch each pleats, and then bring it to your iron and then iron the pleats. So this is what it looks like now, and then sew it on the edge. So bring it to your sewing machine and then we're ready to sew the edge. And now we're ready to make our casing. So fold the edge the same size as the face mask, and then fold it in half. So that's our casing ready. Do the same on the other side. And now we're ready to attach our casing. So attach the casing to the mask like this, and we're gonna bring it to our sewing machine. And then sew on that short edge. So I'm gonna pin it first so it won't move. And do the same on the other side. and then bring it to the sewing machine and then sew it on the edge. And now we're ready to put our elastic like this. First, we're gonna connect our elastic by 1/2 inch and sew it together there to make a loop. Now we're gonna encase our elastic to this casing. So fold it over so it will encase our elastic and then pin. And do the same on the other side. Make sure the elastic is not twisted and then pin. And then we're gonna sew by here and do the same on the other side. And now our face mask is finished. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. And I was able to make 2 adult face masks and a headband ear savers here. So thank you everyone.